My name is Abner Cruz. I am the media and production director here at Oaks Church in McKinney, Texas. Our room is not that big, sits around 450 people to 500 people. We had the opportunity to check out the KR802 Mark II speakers. They are vertical column speakers with a sub at the bottom. It shocked us how great a small column speaker could sound like. I was really impressed by the size versus volume. So when the lead pastor came up on a Sunday, listened to the system, during worship live, the first impression he had was, wow, this sounds really good. It was great for us because what is right now a 8-speaker system without counting the subs was able to be achieved by just 2 vertical columns, the same spread, the same amount of reach. There's a big benefit in that, a lot of modern systems are line array or large point source boxes, and they're big, they're bulky, right? And depending on the space that your worship experience is, sometimes a small vertical array will sit in perfectly well to kind of hide the speakers and still get a great sounding experience. For the size, you would not find something that was this loud. The KRA system is a 2-way powered system with DSP built in to the subs, and you can connect them to your network or directly wire your laptop to that Ethernet port. And the DSP is actually very feature rich. Anything from what you do on a Sunday to commercial installs, they have it there. Since KRA does a little bit of everything, including commercial installs, theater work, and now House of Worship, their DSP was very feature rich in knowing what limiters to set, how to send and receive volumes. It even had its own little media player if you needed it. I believe the KRA system will be great for set up and tear down churches, since it's very quick to get it up and running. With 2 guys, you can do less than 10 minutes, have them up and running, ready to go. The great thing about this KRA system, the 802 Mark II, was the fact that it's not only something that you just purchase once and this is what you get. It's an expandable system. I mean, we got 2 column speakers per side, but they can go up to 4. The cool part is that it can grow with you and with your church. When researching the KRA system, something that I found was that it was actually punching above its weight. For the price, you can't find something as a vertical column speaker that will sound as good.